Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to delete a Discord server on PC and mobile. So if you're on PC, what you have to do is simply right click on your server and then you'll have to simply go to server settings. And after that, what you'll have to do is simply scroll down here on the left side and then simply click on delete server. And then here you have to simply enter the server name and then simply click on delete server. And basically that's all you have to do on PC. Now, if you're on mobile, you have to simply click on your the Discord server, and then you have to simply click on these three dots in the top right corner, and then simply go to the settings of your Discord server, and then again on these three dots, and after that you're gonna have this delete server button, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.